Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change WhatsApp background on your phone. So let's open our WhatsApp. On the top right side corner you will see the three dots. Tap on it. Go to the settings. Now here you have to go to the chat section. As you can see here, second there's option of wallpaper. Click on it. I want to change my wallpaper. Click on change and basically I like my phone wallpaper and there's a by default so many wallpapers given by WhatsApp. You can use those one. For example, this is a dark section, this is a bright section, and this is my section basically. So I can just choose one of my picture, and as you can see here, this will show the preview. This is how it looks. So I will just click on set wallpaper. Now if I just go back and try to open any of my chat, as you can see here, the background has been changed. So this is how you can change WhatsApp background very easily. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.